Good evening and welcome to our special coverage. The farmers' protest, famously known as the Delhi Chalo movement, has kicked off today with significant developments unfolding at the borders of the national capital. Let's dive into the details. Massive security arrangements have been implemented on the borders of the national capital. To maintain law and order, the Delhi police have enacted Section 144 prohibiting the entry of tractor trolleys and large assemblies. Visuals from various borders such as Ghazipur, Shambhu, and Tikri depict the presence of barricades and barbed wires obstructing road access.
जैसा आपको पता है कि धारा 144 लगी हुई है और समूह में आना, वेपन लाना और किसी भी तरीके की न्यूसेंस क्रिएट करना पूरी तरीके से बैन है, प्रतिबंधित है। तो उसके मद्देनज़र हमने यहाँ पर अरेंजमेंट लगा रखा है।
Farmers from various parts of India began their Delhi Chalo protest on Tuesday amid comprehensive preparations by police in Haryana and Delhi. Authorities have orders to stop them from entering the national capital, leading to heightened tensions and anticipation of confrontations at the borders. The Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, a non-political organization, is leading the second leg of the farmers' protest, demanding guaranteed minimum support price for their crops.
पूरे देश की प्रॉब्लम है एमएसपी गारंटी कानून। पूरे देश की प्रॉब्लम है स्वामीनाथन कमेटी की रिपोर्ट, बिजली अमेंडमेंट बिल, कर्जा, ये सारे इशू हैं। देश में बहुत किसान संगठन हैं, अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म से ये समस्याएं उठती रहेगी।
Haryana police detained several protesting farmers as they marched towards Delhi earlier today. The visuals from the border showed farmers attempting to break the multi-layered barricades using their tractors and hand weapons, leading to confrontations with law enforcement. As tensions reached a boiling point, visuals from the border depicted farmers running towards nearby farmland on the sides of the road as police fired tear gas and water cannons to disperse the protesters. Concrete slabs, iron nails, barricades and barbed wires have been deployed by the police at several parts of the borders to prevent further escalation. The situation remains tense as both the parties remain firm in their positions. While the farmers continue to demand guaranteed minimum support price for their crops, police and paramilitary personnel have been deployed at the borders to maintain law and order. This is Ambush Tripathi along with Rudra Makkar reporting for The Statesman.